Undertone is the hidden color of your skin that affects the overall hue. Hi, I'm Seema and I'm going to share 3 ways to check your undertone. Look at your veins at the inside of your wrist or elbow in natural daylight, not sunlight. If you have visible green and slight blue veins with yellow hues, you are a warm undertone. If you have visible bluish veins with pink hues, then you are a cool undertone. If you have blue and green veins slightly mixed with purple veins and you have yellow hues, you are a neutral undertone. Wear a similar type of jewelry, one in gold and the other in silver. If gold looks good on your skin, you are likely to have warm or olive undertones. If silver, platinum and rose gold suits you more than gold, then you are likely to have a cool undertone. You are a neutral undertone if both gold and silver suits you. If you're still confused, try the third method. Hold up a white shirt and an off-white shirt next to your face. Which do you look better wearing? If you look better in white, you have a warm undertone, whereas if you look better in off-white or look too washed out in white, you have a cool undertone. If both look good, you are neutral. If you're still confused, pick one shade of foundation that matches your skin tone from both warm and cool undertone. Make sure you test your foundation color on your lower neck and chest area. The shade that disappears in the skin is the perfect match and your true undertone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Feel free to ask any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you next time. Bye.